In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track your sales by product or service in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the report that shows which items are selling, how much revenue they're bringing in, and how your products or services stack up against each other. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online company and heading to the left-hand navigation. Click on Reports. This takes you to the Report Center, which is organized into different tabs and categories, so you can quickly find what you need. Make sure you're on the Standard tab, so you're looking at the ready-made reports QuickBooks provides. Next, scroll down to the Sales and Customers section. This category focuses on the sales side of your business, including what you sell and who you sell to. In this section, look for the report called Sales by Product or Service Summary. Click it to run the report. After a brief moment while QuickBooks loads, your summary report appears. What you're seeing is a consolidated view of your sales activity grouped by each product or service you've used on your sales forms. It typically shows the total amount sold, and depending on your setup, you may also see quantities, rates, and subtotals. This makes it easy to spot your top performers and identify items that may need attention, whether that's pricing, promotion, or inventory planning. This report pulls its information from the product and service items on your invoices, sales receipts, and other sales transactions you've already recorded. That means the accuracy of what you see here depends on using the correct items on those forms. If something looks off, it often comes down to whether the right product or service was selected when the sale was entered, or whether the period you're viewing contains the relevant transactions. Think of this summary as a quick pulse check for your catalog. If one service consistently brings in most of your revenue, you'll see it right away. If a product isn't selling as expected, this is where it will stand out. Over time, coming back to this report helps you spot trends, plan inventory or staffing, and make decisions about pricing or promotions with more confidence. And that's all. By going to Reports, opening the Standard tab, scrolling to Sales and Customers, and running the Sales by Product or Service summary, you can clearly track all sales by product or service in QuickBooks Online. Revisit this report regularly to stay on top of your numbers and keep your business moving in the right direction.